What's up? I'm going to do this quick video, kind of show you how I'm building out my next step in Chirply. Basically, I'm going to try Trello for a little bit. So they have a free plan, so I'm going to start on that and see how this goes. But using Zapier, I'm going to send incoming leads that text my demo line to Trello so I can start a Trello board and follow up with those leads. So I'll kind of show you how this works. From my dashboard, I went to my autoresponder and I chose my demo line, which this is if you text demo to 319-250-6868. You can see exactly how this auto response works. I just send people 3 messages showing them how the feature works and giving them a link to a free trial of Chirply. And then right here I connected a Zap. So as one of the options, I add them to a campaign which has the 2 other messages, and I add them to a Zap, which you can create right here. You would just click New Zap and enter the title of the Zap and then hit Save. Now that's in your autoresponder. So then I came to Zapier here. The new Zap is this Trello one. I'm going to name that up here. And basically the trigger is triggering a Zap in Chirply.io. Now there's a video inside your Chirply training that shows you how to connect Chirply with Zapier, so I'm not going to go through that. But basically you select trigger a Zap as the trigger, select your account there, and then select that Zap that you created inside of your autoresponder. Then it's going to find data, and I'm using Trello. You could use another CRM, but for this I'm using Trello, and it's going to create a Trello card as soon as someone opts into that autoresponder. So I selected my account there, selected the board it's going to, and I'm using their phone number as the name field. So that's going to tell me right away what their phone number is, and basically it's sending data to that card automatically as soon as they opt in. So this is my follow-up board in Trello. I'm going to build this out as I go and see how it works. But basically I have a couple options here. Here's where the leads come in, right below. So you can see the phone number. And then I actually used Google Voice to send them a message. So this does 2 things. I'm already sending them a message from the Chirply demo line. So this is kind of like showing them, wow, they have multiple phone numbers. They're probably legitimate. And it's also not costing me any money because Google Voice is free. So this is just an idea I'm going to test out. You can kind of see here the message that I sent, hopefully. And I'll show you live. I'm going to text this as well so you can see in Trello how this is going to work. So I'm going to text demo to my Chirply number, 319-250-6868. Texting demo. So I should get an auto response from Chirply, which I did. And you can see there, I have a new Chirply lead inside of Trello. So with Trello, a couple things you can do when you're creating your Zap. You can schedule it to follow up at a certain date or time. And basically I chose the next day by noon. And then in here you can set a reminder at these different intervals. So I chose 5 minutes before. So you can kind of play with that, see what works for you. But it's a decent way to follow up since that's not kind of built in real naturally inside of Chirply. But hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or need some help getting that set up. Be happy to hop on a call with you. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Appreciate you guys for jumping in. Thanks.